All DAWs have some kind of snap feature where a clip will snap along in time with the bars and beats, so it'll stay in time when you move it. Pro Tools is a little bit different in that it uses edit modes. Here I'm in slip mode, and I can move things without any constraint. If I go into grid mode, it'll snap along according to the values that's set up here. So it's on a bar at the moment. If I change it to eighth note, it'll snap in eighth notes. If you can't see the grid lines, just click here, click on grid, and you can see what you're dealing with. It works exactly the same for MIDI. So for example here, I've got a note that's out of time. And as long as I'm in grid mode, up here, it'll snap in time according to this setting here.